Hosting a successful open house is essential for real estate agents and homeowners looking to sell a property. Here are 10 tips to help you make your open house a success. Prepare the property, clean and repair it. Choose a convenient date and time, often on weekends. Promote via various channels. Use clear signage around the area. Stage the home for appeal. Provide informative brochures. Offer refreshments. Greet visitors warmly. Highlight neighborhood advantages. 10. Collect feedback. Bonus tip, number 11. In addition to the physical open house, consider offering a virtual tour for those who can't attend in person. This expands your reach and accommodates busy or distant buyers. Remember that the ultimate goal of an open house is to generate interest and offers. So be prepared to follow up with potential buyers and engage with them in the days following the event.